na na na, said Lucia now it's our time, let's do this together.
Greetings, friends and colleagues. Even though the responsibilities of my office require that I travel at this time, I was determined to ensure that my support for Sustainable Development Movement 2020 was placed clearly on the record. For small island developing states like ours, the challenges of development have become aggressively difficult and devastating. The punishing effects of climate change have been compounded by continuous assault on every economic stream that we have grown for ourselves, while struggling to survive in a brutally competitive global environment. Every day we are reminded that despite the effort and support of others, we're ultimately the one chartering our own destiny. As I addressed the nation on the 41st anniversary of St. Lucia's independence, I mentioned that we need to remember that the only disability in life is a bad attitude. Governor Timothy Antoine of our Eastern Caribbean Central Bank at our recent Growth and Resilience Dialogue also reminded us that we cannot change our history. We cannot change our geography, but we can change our trajectory. The Sustainable Development Movement is about changing our trajectory and how we change this trajectory. We do so by first all changing mindsets, moving away from a preoccupation with problems and limitations to a conviction of possibility and opportunities. We can do so, secondly, by creating opportunities and spaces where all sectors of our societies, public and private, civil society and churches, academia, and most importantly, youth, can come together and dialogue on issues of sustainable growth and development, and to begin to shape collective solutions. The SDM 2020 is that beginning and is anchored around the 10 of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. And we anticipate it will serve as a conduit to channel much needed resources towards the furtherance of these goals in the OECS. There's an old African proverb that says, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. In this complex and chaotic era of human history, we must go fast and we need to get far. Partnership is the key to that, and this is what the SDM 2020 must achieve in order to accomplish that goal. The event is designed to foster enduring partnerships and to leverage that support to take us far. The focus of the SDM 2020 on innovation, entrepreneurship, and investment is novel and will resonate well with the strengthening of industry, human capital, and trade across the OECS as the event connects the Eastern Caribbean with the rest of the world. This is why we have headliners of international repute and prominence participating in the movement. St. Lucia looks forward to welcome over 700 participants from around the world, an unprecedented number of persons attending a conference, an event that will display the full tourism product of St. Lucia and by extension, our region. In addition to the international participants, we extend a warm welcome to all public and private sector players from across the Caribbean. We welcome all to this truly global and first-class initiative. The government of St. Lucia has provided its full support and fully endorses the OECS Commission in this endeavor. I, Alan Chastanet, as Prime Minister of St. Lucia, join the movement. Will you?
Oh na 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 na, said Lucia now it's our time, let's do this together.